Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, we have one of our student, Kavita here. She has been got selected in kPIT. So, let's see her full journey till getting the offer letter. So, Kavita, welcome.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations for your success. You have been got
Thank you so
placed in
much.
kPIT. Okay. So,
Yeah.
we would like to know everything in full, in the sense you from the starting, like
Ah.
after the graduation, when you started your preparation, and which batch was you, which branch was you, and all these kind of details. So first of all, a brief what introduction about yourself. Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I'm from electronics and communication background. I'm 2020 passed out student. After my graduation, like I started to prepare for placements and all. Like COVID is happens, so I was not able to crack any interviews. After that, I was viewing YouTube channel and all. At that time, suddenly I got online study for you, and I purchased online study for you materials. After that, I started preparing myself. Like Pratik sir was explained from basics to high level, each and every topics. It was very helpful to me to crack all the interviews. Like I prepared almost 3 to 4 months about first round only, like aptitude, reasoning, and all. And after that, for technical purpose, I joined J Spiders for Java full stack development course, and then I started to attend placements and all. After that, I get into kPIT.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after your graduation, you just started to prepare for that. But when you
Yeah.
when you register for KPT, and after
Hmm.
that, when you really started for this particular company, like how was your preparation
Yeah.
strategy?
Like I'm not particularly started for kPIT technology. I started orally. Like I prepared from basics. I was not able to crack a single aptitude round also. So I was started from the basics. From the beginning, like I noted down all the topics, and then I started preparing every day, each and every day, 4 to 5 hours. I prepared for aptitude round only. After that, at the month of Jan, I joined technical J Spiders for technical preparation. And before that, holidays, no, at that time, 3 to 4 months, I prepared fully on aptitude only. Like Pratik sir videos was very helpful for me. He explained neatly each and every steps. I follow that he solved more than 20 questions. So I solved those questions only, and I pick up so many questions from our sources like Google and all, and I solved those questions also. Like that only I prepared for aptitude round. Coming to kPIT, I will here the selection process is little different from other companies. Like
Yes.
first round was aptitude. Here in first round we had two sections. One section is section A and section B. In section A we had again 5 subsections. Like first one is aptitude and engineering mathematics. It was same all the questions in maths only. We already learned. And in coming to aptitude, like same questions in common questions like percentage, time and distance, and permutation combination, like that. Those questions only. Like it is easy to moderate, not that much level high. Like direct questions only they asked, and we can easily solve those questions. After that, English section was also there, like verbal ability. It is also good, and it was also easy to moderate. And then we had basics of C language. It was also easy. Like direct questions will be there, and after that we had some algorithm thinking. It was little difficult. We have to predict the output. How they will give some set of questions, and we have to predict the output, which is the output like that. Some C programming questions. Yeah. This is section A. In section B, it is 3 hour duration of test. In section B, we had like we have to choose one particular module. Will there will be some 4 to 5 modules. Like I'm from electronics and communication branch, so it will be circuit branches for one module, and IT like computer and IT one module, for mechanical like that section will be there. In that we have to choose one particular module and we have to write it down. Like I choose a circuit branch and I return on those questions only. It was a 3 hour duration. It was on May 8th and 3 hours duration. After this test, within 2 to 3 days, I got selected mail for second round. Second round was like technical round. It was I was good at Java because I did Java full stack development course. So I said I'm good at Java, and interview questions are almost all full Java, like hoops concept, basics of Java, and thread collection, like that questions will be there. It was also easy to crack. It was easy to meet. I know Java particularly. After that. Technical round, within 2 to 3 days I got one mail. You have behavioral test. It was test like 180 questions will be there. Duration of test is 1 hour. In behavioral test it will be like questions will be pattern matching, and some missing diagrams will be there. We have to choose that. No preparation required for this round, but within second we have to answer the questions. So many questions will be there. Within the how our mentality will be, they will let know about those things. So this behavioral test, some questions will be like how we behave, like those questions. Everyone's mind is different, so they particularly know about ourselves, like that. And after behavioral assessment, within 3 to 4 days I got another mail. It was like yeah, face to face connection. Yeah, in that they just mentioned about location and ourselves, like that only. And it was also easy. After that yeah, within one day they sent selected mail, welcome to kPIT, like that. And after that yeah, after 15 days I got offer letter, and now I joined kPIT. Yeah.
Okay.
It was a selection process.
Yes. Okay. So you have already mentioned something like soon after your graduation, you had entered so much of aptitude on an assessment round, but still you didn't got selected, or you didn't got to crack the online assessment round, and then you took the preparation. So what do you find the difference when you appear for the examination before preparation and after preparation? It was easy or it was difficult for you?
I will tell about it. Actually, starting I was prepared for TCS. After graduation, we are not selected in any companies. I got tensed how to crack it and all. After these materials, I started to preparation on that. I thought that I have to crack TCS, and day and night I studied a lot for the TCS, particularly for TCS. 6 to 7 hours daily I studied, practiced a lot, but unfortunately I have not got selected. But compared to before, I was better. I did better. They will give some rank in TCS. It was little somewhat 1,200 is required for selection of TCS, but I got 1,100, like that. It was I'm happy for that, because I learned those things, and I returned myself, like that. And I got at that time I thought, yeah, we can crack an interview. Now I'm getting like this, but where I have to stand, like that I thought, and I prepared myself for that. First, I planned how to prepare, and what are the topics we have to prepare, and I write it down, and then I prepared about those things. After that, yeah, I attended 4 to 5 companies off campus, like first round only. Within that 4 companies, I have not received the first round result only, but kPIT I got, like that.
Okay. So when you attend the online assessment after preparation, you felt that, okay, after preparation, it is almost good, right? It is not that difficult to get it.
Yeah, preparation is the key to success. Everyone have to prepare ourselves. Like no one will tell you how to prepare these things and all particularly. See, if we are like we thinking like yeah, R.S. Agarwal book. I will read these things. No, we can't read every each and every steps. We can't understand each and every steps. But we if we see some videos like they will explain something, then we will get to know, oh yeah, it is like this and all. Like online study for you materials are very good. I prefer everyone to purchase these materials. Like it was very easy after getting these materials. It was very easy to crack interviews. Like Pratik sir explained each and every topics based from his explained everything from basics to high level. It was very easy to understand, and we can execute like within that material only. We cannot do anything. Like we have to prepare for sir will explain how to prepare and all, and he will explain more than 20 questions, but we have to prepare on that. Like every day we have to prepare on that this type of questions and all. Yeah, after preparation only we will get success.
Yes, obviously, Pratik sir have 10 plus years of experience, so he's the right
Yeah.
person to guide. Obviously, yes.
Yeah,
And
and then Saturday, Sunday we had doubt clear sections with Pratik sir, and that at that time also he was explained. If you don't know anything, like doubt clear means if we not able to understand anything means he will explain again. Like that, he will guide everything very nicely. Yeah.
yes, yes. Okay, so basically, when coming to freshers job, all that you need is some basic fundamentals of computer science. If you are going to some computer science related domain, like IT sector, and also aptitude, only these two criteria are to be noticed when you get into a company as a fresher. So it is very when we compare, it is very important to soon after your graduation. It is very important to get into a company, and also it is not that difficult job. Like a little bit of preparation, right? Because 5 years to get the
Yeah.
papers done, we are putting a lot of effort. Just half of the
Yeah.
effort only required to crack all these online assessments. So
Yeah.
obviously, all these kind of online aptitude examination preparation, all these kind of things will never be insisted told by some of others, but we have to take care of all those things. Okay, so now coming to
Yeah.
the interview session, Kavita. So here you can see you might have got so much of questions. So what are the kinds of questions that you got during the interview?
Like in technical interview.
Yes.
Yeah, it's all about Java only. Like they will mention like which language you can choose. They will give some path like Java, embedded C and all. But I choose this Java, and in Java like basic questions only. In Google also we will get what are the interview questions of Java and all. Like that basic questions they ask, like threading, multi-threading, and OOPS concept are very important in Java. OOPS is enough. If you study OOPS, that is enough for interview. Like OOPS question repetitively, they will ask pillars of OOPS and all. If you give real-time examples, then it will be nice. You can easily crack that interview.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these are everything regarding the basic. Like has Kavita had did a Java course, so she got questions regarding that. And if you tell like you are good at Python, then some questions regarding that. And if
Yeah.
you're good at SQL, then some questions regarding that. Whatever the
Yeah.
domain is, only basic thing will be there. Okay, so don't hesitate. So after your graduation, without creating this career gap, you have to get into some company. So here, Kavita,
Yeah.
2020 is her pass out. She have did some certification courses. So her after graduation journey so binded enough. So that's the reason that
Yeah.
she got to selected this. Okay. So Kavita, do you have anything to share regarding the preparation strategy, like to our viewers, like
Yeah.
your tips or something like that?
Okay, yeah. Don't compare yourself with others. Like my friends got selected in other companies, and I'm not getting any placement. And all, don't never think about those things. Just started your preparation from like if you will only get to know where you are if you take one exam and all. At that time only, you have to start prepare on yourself. Like you have to write it down and go through all the topics topics and prepare for it and be confident. And if we believe in ourselves, then we can get success, and we can do anything. Like we will get success very easily. So I will tell everyone to start preparation. Like preparation is the key to success. We have to prepare ourselves and be confident enough, and that is enough to crack any interview. If you are confident about yourself, you can crack any interview. Only this much.
No, sure. This is great enough, actually. Okay. So, Kavita,
Yeah.
how about the CTC offered by them? Is it discussable?
Yeah, 3.6 it is.
So, okay. So, you have currently joined kPIT?
Yeah.
Yes. How's the life going on
joined.
there? Training, everything?
Yeah, it's good only. And training will start from Monday.
Okay. So, you just had some of the onboarding sessions to go, right?
Yeah, onboarding sections all are over.
Okay.
Now some process will be there, induction day and all those things over. And now Monday onwards, training will be starts.
Okay. So which designation, I forgot to ask in the beginning, which designation that you got it?
Actually, they given trainee post. After training, they will conduct some exams and all. After that, they will give designations and all.
Sure.
It was like software development only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So obviously kPIT is a great company to start your career, and you know the right pace, and you are employing the right strategy for your career. So Kavita, all the best and congratulations once again. So
yeah, thank you so much.
Go.
And I will suggest everyone to watch this online study for you channel and study materials. If you take these materials, you can get success. Like these materials are very good, and interview experiences also. I also seen so many of when I was not selected in company. At that time, I was used to watching these videos, like how everyone will tell and all. And these interview experiences and all are obviously helpful for each and everyone to prepare for interview and all. Thank you for online study for you.
Sure. Welcome from our part as well. So obviously this interview experience videos has a greater importance, because being a fresher, you never know how this interview session is going to happen. So it is very good to hear from all of these. And if you ask some of the people of the HR sections, they will be telling like, you'll be having some technical questions. You'll be having this HR management. That's only. What is there in the technical, what is there in the HR is to be only known, but you may not be having so much people around to tell their experience. So these are the for them. So this Kavita, this video is going to inspire a lot of people. This video is going to be inspiration for all of them. Okay. So that's all. We are just closing the session. So if you have anything to add up again.
No.
Okay, fine. So as Kavita, sure. As Kavita said, preparation is the only key. It is not a difficult thing. It's somehow more easy to moderate or getting into any of the companies. So just spend 1 to 2 hours every day from the final years if you spend, and if the exam is nearing, like 1 month for the examination, you just spend like 3 to 4 hours every day. Will definitely help you to crack all the examinations, all the online assessments of the company. Okay, so don't quit preparation. Just start from if you're not start in it. Okay, so that's all for today. Kavita, once again, congratulations and thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so friends, until I come up with another video regarding all these kind of things, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.